Really scary. There's a crayfish and it's fucking still alive in the fridge. What the fuck?
Got my main dish cooking my side dish. I got the Krabby Patty formula. I ain't using no plankton tactics. I'm Mr. Boil That Water, man. Mr. Krabs do backflips.
What an amazing catch here off the coast of Maine today. Here is a rare split-colored lobster, 1 in 50 million.
Hey guys, the last video of the lobster crushing.
No way.
What?
You're
He can't even
kidding
get
me.
out.
You're kidding.
This fish was like,
Oh my god.